Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if you keep getting payment failed. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with doing our translations, and we have the settings option for managing how our application works. So let's go and take a look at how to fix payment failed. So basically this is the steps you want to follow. Once you go ahead and get started with signing up for your account, and then you get started with upgrading to a pro option right here directly from the settings, this is what we can do to make sure we do not get the payment failed error. So you want to verify your card details, ensure the card number, expiration date and CVV number are entered correctly, and alongside this the billing address check. So I confirm the billing address matches the information on file with your bank, because this is also a very important step. It has to be correct and match the one from your bank. So if this doesn't work, try switching payment methods, try using a different card to check if your bank is blocking international transactions. So this is the most usual fix to any payment failed errors. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.